Hi guys, this is Avinash Sharma. Guys, in this video, we will discuss a very interesting topic: how to design the interview question with multiple options. Suppose you have a bank of the multiple questions, say any subject, say SQL Server, Power BI, and there are 100 questions. Now you want to design those question answer and want to create a video. If you do it normally, then it will take 3 to 4 hours, and if you edit the video, then you have to spend the extra time on the editing. But friends, in the market there are so many AI tools, you can perform that task within a 3 to 5 minutes. So how to do that task we will discuss in this video. Friends, there are so many AI tools in the market and which are being used commonly. So first of all, it's a chatgpt and dolly. Chatgpt, it's being used for the multiple purpose, and dolly, basically you can use this for the image generation. Then the qualified.ai, apollo.ai, dift, lena AI, and the canva. There are some, this is the list of some few AI tools. Some AI tools have been designed for the specific purpose, like for the HR purpose, for the analysis purpose, for the research purpose. But in this video, we will use the canvas for our magic. So friends, as we discussed, we have a task. In the task, we have the list of multiple interview questions and answers. Suppose there are 100 questions and answers, and we have to design these question answers in a video. So for that purpose, we require the three tools: ChatGPT, MS Excel, and Canvas tools. Using these three tools, we can perform our task within 3 to 5 minutes. Now let us start. The step 1. In the step 1, first of all, we will collect the data from the ChatGPT and then store the data in Excel sheet. So log in into the ChatGPT. So I am already in. Now we have ChatGPT and we have to write the right statement for fulfilling our requirement. So according to our requirement, already I have written my statement. Just I copy paste here. So my prompt is write 10 SQL interview questions. I am just taking out the only 10 questions, and according to your requirement you can mention the 10, 20, 50, 500, whatever you want. Then write 10 SQL interview questions and answers with 3 options and 1 correct answers in following format. And the format is questions, then option 1, option 2, and option 3, and finally answer. This is our title. Basically this is the format, because we will take the data in table format. Then we are also providing the sample for the ChatGPT. The question is, what is the full form of SQL? Structured query list, structured query language, none of these. 3 options, and the final statement in table format. Okay, so now we go and wait for few seconds. Okay, it's done. Now you can see we have the data in table format. In table we have the title or heading, questions, option 1, option 2, option 3, and then the answer, final one. So in question we have the question, and in option we have the options, and finally the correct answer is in the last column, the answer column. Now what we do, first of all we store this data in somewhere like Excel file. So we copy and make sure you include the title. So questions, now the last one, copy and open Excel file, then paste here. So this is our data we have taken out from the ChatGPT, and we are keeping this data in Excel file. So step 1 is done. Step 2. So for this requirement, because our requirement to bulk designing, so for that purpose we will use the Canva. So first of all, open Canva. So this is the home page of the Canva, and this Canva is available in two versions, free version and the paid version. So if you buy something and you to take the paid version, then you will have some extra features or extra resources like the photos, videos, images. Okay, if you do not have the paid version, then still you can use this one and can fulfill your requirement. So right now we have to design the YouTube video. So first of all, click on the create design and check the option YouTube video. If that option is not visible, then type here YouTube video. So you can see this option YouTube video, and also display the size of this video 1920 by 1080 pixels. So this is the size of the YouTube video. Now click this one. So we have a blank Canva. Here we will design our page. So first of all, we can place some kind of background. Say I take this one. Now I design the question and answer. First of all, text, heading, and go to Excel, take first question, copy and paste. Then reduce the size, font size. Okay, now subheading, font size say 40 and the option 1. And left align. Then make the copy of this one, copy and paste. Second option, now then again make the copy this one, third option. Also you can change the background of this one, effect, background, then again background, change the color, background, then background, change the color, and answer. Copy paste. Now make it say center alignment, take the answer and change the color. make it green, and font color make it white. So if we test this one, so you can see along with the question there are three multiple options, but the answer is also displaying. Now we want some mechanism like, and we want to display some timer, say 10 seconds or 5 seconds. After that timer, after that duration, the answer should display. So how to do that one? We need a timer. So element, and we can take this one. So you can take any kind of timer, say stopwatch, anything. So I put here. So this is a graphic and it's like a timer. Now every element has its own timeline. So click the element, select the element, and now show timing, and reduce the size. Then click second one, structured query language, and then so now the arrangement is, first of all this timer displays, and whenever the timer is over, then this element, the answer is displayed. So the duration of this timer is the 7 seconds. Now we check this one. So wait for 7 seconds, then the timer disappears and the answer displays. So this is just template or example of the first questions. Now the time for our magic. As we discussed, we can create the say 50, 100, 1500 question in 2 minutes. That is called the bulk creation, and that magic comes with this canvas tool. So for that purpose, here go to apps and search bulk create. This is our app bulk create. Click this one, and there are two options, enter data manually or upload data. So also you can upload the files, but we will use the manual option. Select all the questions from the Excel sheet including the titles and copy, then paste here. So you can see questions, option 1, option 2, option 3, and finally answer. Now say done, and in the left side you can see the data we stored in the database. Now time for mapping the data. We have to tell this template which data is for the which element. So first of all, when we click this one, then you can see the connect data option. Once you have the data field in your data file, then this option is available, and you click this one, then this element is the question 1 title, then select the option 1 and connect data, then the option 1, second option connect the data, second option, then third option connect data and choose the, and finally for the answer. Now the mapping is done. Now the time for the magic. So continue. It shows that there are 10 designs. It means 10 questions. Okay, now click that one and wait for few seconds. So you can see the first question, the second question, these are called the page 1, page 2, page 3 up to the page 10. This is a page 10 and this is the 10th questions. Now download this file and wait for few seconds. Okay, downloading done. Now we check the file. This is the video. The question 1, and the timer is running. After 7 seconds, the timer disappears and the answer displays. Now wait for few seconds. The second questions, the timer starts. Now third questions, and timer starts. So friends, this is how you can create the, or you can design the interview question and answer, bulk questions and answers using this Canva tool. Basically, this Canva tool is integrated with the AI tools. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.